Meaning of institution.
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 Institution. The term institution can refer to a wide range of things depending on the context. In general, an institution can be defined as a formal organization or establishment that serves a particular purpose or meets specific needs in society. This purpose may vary widely, from educational and financial institutions to political and religious ones. Institutions often have a set of rules, policies, and procedures that guide their operations and help maintain order and consistency. They can play a powerful role in shaping societal values, norms, and behaviors, and can also hold significant influence over individual lives and decision-making processes.